Student wants to emphasize the order in which Alaska and Hawaii became U.S. states. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. On January 3rd, 1959, Alaska became the 49th state to join the U.S. On August 21st, 1959, Hawaii became the 50th state to join the U.S. A new three-star U.S. flag was unveiled the same day. So from the notes, we can see that Alaska was the 49th state to join the U.S., and Hawaii was the 50th state, where Alaska and Hawaii joined the same year, but Alaska was a few months earlier than Hawaii. So, A. Alaska, the 49th U.S. state, became a state several months before Hawaii, the 50th state. So this seems to be the correct answer because it correctly emphasizes the order in which Alaska and Hawaii became U.S. states, where Alaska became the 49th and Hawaii the 50th a few months after Alaska. So overall, A seems to be the correct answer. B. On August 21st, 1959, a new 50-star U.S. flag was unveiled. This is incorrect because this does not properly mention or even highlight Alaska or Hawaii, which is the focus of the emphasis the student wants. Therefore, because B does not mention either of these, it can be eliminated. C. The 49th and 50th states to join the U.S. did so in the same year. This is incorrect because although it does mention the 49th and the 50th state, it doesn't mention that Alaska was the 49th or that Hawaii was the 50th. Therefore, C is incorrect. D. The same day that Hawaii became a U.S. state, August 21st, 1959, a new U.S. flag was unveiled. This is incorrect because this focuses on the creation of a new flag rather than the order in which Alaska and Hawaii became U.S. states. So D can be eliminated. And with that, we're left with A as the correct answer.